Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so this here is Escallonia Gold Brian, which is not looking very golden at the moment because it got well, knocked about a bit in the winter. It's an evergreen shrub, so I gave it a bit of a prune a couple of weeks ago, and there's still life there, even though it looks a bit dead. You know, you can see actually there's some shoots there, but also there's some little bits of new growth starting there as well. And we've done this before, within a month or two we'll have a lovely dome of bright gold foliage and maybe some flowers later on in the summer, pink flowers. So I've given it the prune, and now I want to give it a feed. But what we're going to do this year is to try this product here. I am not being sponsored to show you this. I purchased it myself for my own good money. This is a new sustainable form of, well, feeding your soil, but also suppressing weeds, and actually apparently it kind of helps repel slugs as well, which is I'm all for that. But the amazing thing is that it's made as a byproduct from the green energy industry here in the UK. So it's totally sustainable. We haven't had to import anything from anywhere else in the world. It's used by kind of processing maize, corn to you and me, that's grown by farmers in the West Country and down in Dorset, and then is processed to produce heat and gas, which let's get it ready, which helps, you know, provide green energy here in the UK. And out of the other end of this process comes this stuff. And this is the this is the stuff that we're going to spread over the ground as a mulch, as they call it. So a mulch basically is something that you spread over the top surface of the soil to help keep the weeds at bay and hold in the moisture. But at the same time, this will feed as it decomposes. It will release nutrients into the soil, and as well as keeping the weeds at bay, holding in the moisture, keeping the weeds at bay, holding the slugs, or kind of helping to repel the slugs. I think it looks rather nice as well. It gives you a nice kind of dark brown carpet over the soil, which will look lovely in a month or two when we've got that kind of dome of bright gold leaves. So what I'm going to do is spread this around the soil here. I actually used another form of this sort of, they call it digestate, anaerobic digestate. I used another form of this a couple of years ago, which seemed to work well. You'll see that video from a couple of years ago on my channel. But this year I'm trying this. Oh, this Bloomin Amazing. Let's tip some out here. Oh. There we are. That should be plenty. It looks like it should be smelly, but actually it's not. It doesn't seem to. Have a sniff yourself. Here you go. No, it doesn't seem to have a smell, which, you know, which is good. Just spreading this around over the back there as well. Well, there we go. I think we've probably got enough there. It's only a centimetre or two depth there. We'll see whether that's enough to suppress. It'll probably be enough to suppress kind of annual weeds, little weeds, but I'm not sure if it'll be enough to suppress any kind of more determined perennial weeds. I asked the little dog in the front what he thought. Was it any good? And he seems to be nodding, so he's happy. We'll keep you posted. So that's anaerobic digestate, used as a mulch but also as a feed in spring after a heavy prune, after indeed a hard winter. Let's see how this looks in about 3 months' time. We'll keep you posted. Any thoughts, any comments? Of course, it'd be easier for you if you just subscribe to the channel, you know, and then you'd be able to see see how things are progressing. And so from me in the garden with the birds singing and the dog nodding, See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.